Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is day 16 of the Triple R Challenge, and we are on our reset day. And today we're focusing on a practice that helps us with posture. Posture is so important. You know, a lot of times now we're on our phones, so we're doing a lot of hunching forward, working at our desks. Posture allows you to be able to breathe properly. It gives your lungs and your diaphragm enough space so you can breathe in a proper way, and that helps all of your systems work better. So let's go ahead and get started in a comfortable seat. You can close your eyes or lower your gaze to the floor. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Take a second deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Take one more deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. And come back to your natural breath. Releasing any control over the breath. And then seeing if you could find a steady breath to use throughout the practice, in and out of your nose if you can. Now let's start to bring some movement into the body. So we're going to start to rotate our head to the right. Drawing a circle with our chin. Inhaling as we come back. And exhaling as we come forward. We'll be working on stretching and strengthening the upper back, the neck space. And just try to be mindful about your posture as you move forward. When you notice yourself hunching over, come back to that straight back, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Good. Let's switch directions. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Move with your breath. Good. Come back to a neutral position. Take the arms, bring them out to the side, and bend your elbows, palms facing outward. We're going to do this seated cactus cat-cow. So take an inhale, arch the spine, roll the shoulders back, lift the chin. Exhale, round the spine, bring the arms together, chin to the chest. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Do a couple more rounds on your own. Good. Come back to a neutral spine. Release the hands. Take this right arm, bend it behind your back with the palm facing outward. And take the left hand, grabbing the right wrist, gently pull that right wrist over towards the left. And then let your left ear fall to your left shoulder. So you'll feel a nice stretch on the right side. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, release the right wrist. Left arm bends behind your back now, palm facing outward. We'll grab that left wrist with the right hand. Looks like this. Gently pull that left wrist over to the right, and then let your right ear fall to your right shoulder. Getting that nice stretch on the left. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, release the left wrist. Bring the arms out in front. Tuck that right elbow underneath the left elbow. Bend the elbows, back of the hands face each other, or you can bring those palms around. If this doesn't work for you, just grab either shoulder. We're gonna let those shoulders come down, pull the elbows up, press the hands away for eagle arms, Garudasana arms. Make sure you're sitting nice and tall. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, unravel the arms. We'll bring left arm underneath right now. Back of the hands face each other, or palms face each other, or just grab either shoulder. Shoulders down, elbows up, press those hands away. Good. Take an inhale here. Exhale, unravel those arms. We're going to extend the legs to straight. And let the arms come behind you. So maybe like a foot or so behind the hips, palms facing forward, or fingertips facing forward, palms resting on the ground. And we'll puff up through the chest and let the head fall back. It's kind of like a subtle back bend, really good shoulder opener, heart opener. Pressing down through those hands. It's giving a good stretch in the wrists too. Good. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Swing those legs around and we'll come down to our belly. So to start, just stretch the forearms and rest the forehead down. Good. Inhale. Exhale, release. Come up on those forearms for Sphinx pose. So separate your feet, maybe about hips distance apart. Bring your chin parallel to the floor. Fingers spread nice and wide. And think about pulling your chest through your shoulders. So gently kind of pull those elbows toward you. If this doesn't work for you, slide those hands back, come down a bit lower, because this can be an intense back bend. Now you can stay like this. If you want more, we could do dhanurasana, bow pose. It's up to you. If you want to do bow pose, we'll release those hands, bend the knees, grab either ankle with the hands, flex the feet, press those ankles away. Try to come as tall as you can here. Good. Try to bring that chin parallel to the floor. Nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale, release. If you're in Sphinx, release. Cross opposite forearm on top and rest your forehead down. Good. Let's come back to Sphinx pose. Resting on the forearms, fingers spread nice and wide, chin parallel to the floor. Engage those shoulders, press them away from the ears, and think about pulling the hands and elbows back, like you're trying to pull your chest through your shoulders. Staying here, or if you want to do bow pose, you can. This time, feel free to switch your hands to the inside of the ankles if you like. It'll give you a little bit of a different stretch, but if the outside works best for you, that's fine. Flex the feet, press the ankles into the hands, come up as tall as you can. Good. Inhale. Exhale, release back down. Stack the forearms, opposite forearm. Good. From here, we'll come into a spinal twist. So slide your right knee up in line with your right hip. Inside of the right foot rests on the ground. We're going to take this left hand, bring it to the outside of the right knee as we flip around over onto our back, cactusing the right elbow, so just bending at the right elbow. You could place a pillow underneath the shoulder, the knee, or both if you need to, if they don't quite meet the ground. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale, come back to the belly again. Let's do the other side. So slide that left knee up in line with the left hip. Inside of the left foot rests on the ground. Right hand comes outside of the left knee and we'll flip over onto our back. Cactusing that left elbow. inhale. Exhale. Come back to your belly again. Now from here you can just flip over onto your back, or if you want to lay the opposite way, you can. Hug your knees into your chest. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release to Savasana. If you have a more comfortable position you need to be in, feel free to take on that position or come to a seated position. And let's come back to the breath again. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Take a second deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Take one more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to your natural breath again. Releasing any control over the breath. Letting it flow as it normally would, and letting yourself relax here. Letting all tension roll off your body now. And while you're here, I'll say some affirmations to you, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I stand tall, rooted in my power. My heart is open and my mind clear. I release the weight from my shoulders and create space for new energy. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body and back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow, as we all take a moment here to reflect on our practice and to extend gratitude towards ourselves for this act of self-care and self-love today. And on your next inhale, make your way up to a comfortable seat once again. And together we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 16 of the Triple R Challenge. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. We are moving through the challenge very swiftly. Don't forget to check the links in my description box. There's a link down there to my meditation album. If you find my voice soothing, you'll enjoy that. There's also a link to my Patreon where we're tapping into sensual and feminine yoga. My Amazon storefront is down there where you can find this outfit and all the outfits I've been wearing throughout the challenge. And there's a link about joining my channel as a member if you'd like access to exclusive and longer videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace and love.